In this video we're going to look at mean, median, mode. So what are the mean, median and mode? How do we work them out and why do we use them? Well, the mean, median, mode are used by scientists to look at data and be able to compare different sets of data. That sounds a bit complicated, especially if you're in year 5 or year 6. But let me give you an example of some data. So I'll put it up onto the board. Okay, so 10 minutes later he comes back with the sheet. Right, so this is a very simple set of data that we're going to look at. As well as mean, median, mode, we're also looking at the range. Okay, so a man went fishing on Monday. He caught 5 fish. 3 fish were 5 centimetres long and the other 2 were 3 centimetres and 12 centimetres long. We've got to find the median, mode, mean and range in lengths. Okay, so I'm just going to write down, because I'm going to put another sheet up in a minute, I'm just going to write down the fish that he caught. So he caught 5 fish and it was 3 times 5 centimetres. In other words, 3 fish were 5 centimetres, 1 which was 3 centimetres long and 1 which was 12 centimetres long. So what he's trying to do is look at these 5 fish and get some information about how the lengths of the fish vary. Okay, so I don't know if you've seen this before. This was actually told to me by one of my tutees who got it from her teacher. I then always use it with my tutees, and it's sort of spread around the area a bit through that. But I don't know, I did put this rhyme on Facebook a while back, and someone put on there, obviously an adult put on there, I remember using this when I was a child, but I don't know where it comes from. So if it comes from you, then I'd be really interested to know. Or if you know where it comes from, let me know. So it comes obviously from the nursery rhyme. So hey diddle diddle, the median's in the middle. You add and divide for the mean. The mode is the one that you see the most, and the range is the difference between. So basically, you can use this rhyme to work out, to remember how to work out these different things: median, mean, mode and range. So we would do it in the order they've given it to us. The median's in the middle. What does that mean? That means the middle of the set of numbers. Now it's really, really important to put your numbers in order. So you could say that these numbers were given to us as 5, 5, 5, 3, 12. Problem with this, it might work in this example, but there's a danger that, 5, 5, 5, 3, 12. There's a danger that we're going to get the wrong answers, because the median in the middle only works if we put the numbers in order. So we've got 3, 5, 5, 5, 12. So all we do is which number's in the middle. It wouldn't have mattered in this case, but it's too risky. Which number's in the middle, so the median equals 5, because that's in the middle. Right, so the median's in the middle. You add and divide for the mean. We'll come back to that one. I always tend to leave that one till last because it takes the most time. The mode is the one you see the most. So the mode just happens to be 5 as well, because there's 3 5s. Okay, and the range is the difference between. So the range is difference between 12 and 3, 12 take away 3, which is 9. Just before we move on, the median is a middle number. So say you had an even number of numbers. Say you had 3, 4, 6, 10, then you would go in between those two. So in between 4 and 6 would be 5. Another thing with the mode, if you had, say, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 9. You could say the mode is 4 and 6. If you had a double 9 as well, you would just say there isn't a mode because no number is sort of more popular than any others. Okay, so that was our list of numbers. That was our median, mode and range. Right, it said that you add, then divide for the mean. So you add the numbers up. So we had 15. That makes 15. So that makes 30. So total is 30. There are 5 fish. So we do 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So the mean length equals 6 centimetres. Okay, so total 30, 5 fish, divide it by 30 divided by 5, you get 6 centimetres. Okay, so we're going to do a little test in a minute, so just remember this. Hey diddle diddle, the median's in the middle, you add and divide for the mean. The mode is the one you see the most, and the range is the difference between. Okay, so let's clean the board up a bit and then try the test. So we've got these numbers 2, 6, 9, 4, 4. So take those numbers, work out the mean, median, mode and the range. And I'll be back in a few seconds with the answers. Okay, so we need to know first of all we need to put the numbers in order. So 2, 4, 4, 6, 9. And what I do is I count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hopefully I haven't missed anything out. Okay, so we need to know that we're going to do the median first. The median's in the middle, so that's clearly in the middle. So the median is 4. Right, the mode is the one you see the most. So it just so happens it's also 4 because there's 2 4s. It's the only one that there's 2 of. Right, the range, remember that's the difference between. It's the difference between. So 9 take away 2 is 7. Right, to get the mean, what we need to do is add them all up. So I would go 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. And then that makes 15, 6 plus 9. So total of 25. There's 5 numbers, so 25 divided by 5 equals 5. So the mean is 5. Well done if you got all those right. Thank you for watching that video. And if you enjoyed that, please check out our website for more great online resources. So the address is www.routes2success11plus.uk or find us on Twitter @Routes2Success. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thank you.